Welcome back, guys. We're having another talk of bullshit. Welcome back. Just off work again, on the road. I was thinking about what I talk about first before I started recording. Yesterday I didn't record. I don't know why, but I got in the car and I said I didn't listen to the music while I was at work yesterday because of the new position they got me in right now. So for some reason I got into the car, got off work, and I just said I want to listen to some music. So I didn't record myself yesterday, so I was just blasting music. I just needed some music. I did do the gym yesterday. And I did chest and tries and shoulders, basically a push day. Today's my pull day, so I'm doing back and biceps, more shoulders, more my rear shoulders, and also, I'm not gonna do cardio today, but yeah, that's what I did yesterday. Then I went home, worked on videos. That's it. Today I am gonna upload a video on my main channel. I'll put a link for that later on in my channel, this channel. Yeah, but today was cool. The new position I'm doing, it's alright. Not much really going on with life, as one would assume, but no, nothing really going on. Same shit, sleep, work, gym, edit, sleep, work, gym, edit. Try to create content. So, I just ate my Gatorade bar. It just started raining a bit. But let's talk about today. I forgot what I mentioned earlier. I want to talk about time. Okay. So, is time an illusion? Who said that, by the way? Time is an illusion. Who said that? I don't know who said that. Well, let's say this. Nobody knows what time they have. Right? But if you did know when or where you're gonna die, what would you do before? What would you do before that? Your death, basically. If you knew what your time in this world is, what was, like if you knew how long you were gonna be alive, what would you do, or what would you start doing? Maybe you figured out when you're gonna die when you're like 20, and they say, hey, you're gonna live to 22. Damn, 2 years. What would I start doing? I'm 23, and they told me I was gonna die next year. I'm kind of, well, because since I don't know when I'll pass, but for some reason, I'm more working on the long term of myself, right? Not really like, damn. I wonder if it's bad to say that. Like, I'm not really like fast pacing life, basically. You gotta take life at a slow pace. Well, that's what I think. I don't know. Because if you don't, because when you start doing shit every day, you got your routine. I would say life would be slower. Cause I remember the days I would be gaming all day, and I'm like, damn, I just did a 5-hour gaming session. Holy shit! And then, but today I'm like, damn, I just worked 8 hours. Then I worked out 2 hours. Damn, I worked on editing, watching anime, or doing something within the hours I have left before I go to sleep. did all that shit. So far, the day for me right now has been pretty long, even though I just got off work. Then I go to the gym, and I edit, and then I sleep. And I actually sleep for 8 hours, which you fucking should do. I try to sleep for 8 hours. When I did overnight, I would sleep like, 4 hours after a whole 10-hour shift? Did a whole 10-hour shift. Slept 4 hours, woke up, play games, did 10 hours. Damn. Yeah, I don't know. I say move at a slow pace. You can do fast pace, I guess. I'm trying to see if it makes sense. Cause it's a saying like, life moves too fast. If you don't, what was that one saying from the quote? If you don't stop to look around a while, you won't see the beauty of it. There we go. Probably not the quote, but you know what I mean. Yeah, so let's basically just take a slow pace. You know, do what you gotta do. Also live how you gotta live. Make sure to enjoy the time. Cause I mean, I'm working on stuff now, but there's no guarantee. But there's like a chance of no guarantee. There's definitely no guarantee if I don't do anything at all. 1% is better than 0%. You know what I mean? But we'll hope I get there. So for everyone that is trying to be, I would say normal. I feel like the normal nowadays is I feel like being normal is not even good anymore. I don't know. Like in the back of my head, I want to say I want a cabin, not cabin. I want a house separated from places, and you know, have kids, wife and kids. That's just me peacefully dreaming. In reality, I don't know. I don't even think about wives, kids. I think about kids actually. Having kids. Not the other way around, you fucker. But to be honest, a wife, I don't know. To have a dream wife? No. I don't know what I'm saying. Other than that, I'm close to the gym. But yeah, time, like if I knew if I was gonna die next year, I definitely would start, you know, spending all I got. Because I have no kids, no wife, no nothing. So I'll probably just basically party a year long. I don't know what else there would be. If I was older, I would definitely put my, I don't know. If I was older and with family, I would definitely put more work into the family before I'm gone. But it really depends on what are you doing, because you don't know. And I don't know what I'm saying, so ignore me. I need to go park up front. What am I doing? Alright, but that's it for today. Not much to talk about. My bad. Peace.